today's video is going to be very informative for freshers who want to make a good impression on the interviewers. So the last question which is asked by the interviewers is, why should we hire you? And this is a difficult question that people are more scared of. Like, how can you stand there and praise yourself and say, I am so great? It's so weird now. And there are two reasons why it is difficult. One is because it appears at the end of the interview when you have finished answering all the technical questions and talking about your resume and background, and then you think, finally it's over, and then boom, why should we hire you? And the second reason it is difficult because sometimes it may be possible that the recruiters are not able to make up their mind. That is why this is the reason they ask you this question, that why should we hire? But don't worry, further in this video we will be discussing about three things today. One, the structure of this answer, why should we hire you? Second, many sample answer questions. I'll give you many sample answer questions of different kinds of jobs like sales job, BPO jobs, accountant jobs, 3D animators, or lots more. I'll give you some rules and some common mistakes. So let's get going. Hey, this is Neha, and the question which we were discussing is, why should we hire you? This question can come to you in many different forms. They could perhaps ask you, why do you think you are the best candidate for this job? Or, why do you think you are a good fit for the job? Or, what unique strengths do you possess because of which we should choose you? Or, we have 500 applicants, why do you think you should be picked? They could even ask you a question like, why do you want this job? And you can modify this answer to fit into any of these questions. Okay, so first of all, let me give you 3 rules for writing this answer. I call them TIP. T for time, I for impact, and P for personal qualities. Let's talk about time. The length of this answer should not be more than 1 minute. I know a lot of people will tell you to give a slightly longer answer, giving your entire background and your qualifications, but in my view, the answer must be short and crisp, and it should not exceed 1 minute. I for impact. This is your last opportunity to create a good impression on the interviewers. Remember that they are bored. They have been seeing candidates right from the morning. So, be natural, confident and relaxed. Not like you have memorized the entire answer. P for personal qualities. This is a behavioral question and not a technical question. So, answering a question like this, I think you should hire me because I have 2 years of experience, or I think you should hire me because I have an engineering degree, is a common mistake. So, what are personal qualities? As we go into the sample answers, you will get to know what are these. Now look at the structure of this answer. There are 2 parts to this answer. For example, find a quality that the job requires or the company values, and give example from your personal life as to how you have demonstrated that quality. So, find a quality, give an example, 1 minute, simple. And now for the sample answers. I'm going to give you a whole lot of sample answers of different kinds of jobs in this section. So, first up are sales job. Qualities that these sales job requires are building relationships, making networks, and solving problems. Now, if you're a fresher, you can take examples from your college life, from your previous study experience, from your community, or even from your family, where you have built relationships and solved problems. Now, let's take an example. I understand that this job requires me to build relationships and solve problems. I think you should hire me because this is one of my strong points. For example, when I was in college, I was in charge of the college festival and I built relationships with 3 to 4 new companies who donated generously to the festival and made it a huge success. Give a few more details of the companies and the amounts. From what you have described to me, this job of a salesperson requires networking skills and problem solving skills. You should hire me because this is an area I am very good at. Last year, I volunteered for an NGO and I successfully ran a door-to-door sales campaign to raise a record amount of funds for their campaign to support disabled children. Add details of the campaign, the amounts and duration, etc. Now, if you have work experience, you can dig into all of that to find true stories to substantiate into your ability to build relationships, making networks, and solving problems. And now, 2 more rules. Rule number 1, make sure that the example you are telling is a true story. It could be small story or a somewhat longer story, but the point is it should be authentic. Rule number 2 is give evidence for your stories so that they can find out that this is a true story. Next is BPO jobs. The key skill required here is customer service and helping other people. I am taking a really basic example to help you craft a nice answer to this question. The reason you should hire me for the job of a customer service manager is because I am very fond of helping people while patiently listening to their problems. In my community, I have set up a lifelong learners club where I teach senior citizens how to use their smartphones and how to conduct basic activities like bill payments and fixed deposit issuance, etc. Give specific details of this to make sure it sounds genuine. Now, if you are experienced, you can give example of some accolades that you have won, or if you had some success in a particular market, or you can even bring out a small little story of customer service that you have experienced in your previous job. Now, technical writers jobs. Essentially, in this job, you need to write how staff workers, installation documents, and basically communicate effectively using technical language. And if you are a fresher, here's what you can say. I believe that one of the key qualities of a technical writer is to be able to write technical documentation and communicate effectively while using technical language. You should choose me for this position since I have been developing the skill right since my school days. I regularly give answers to technical questions on Quora, and now I have a huge following and my answers are liked by many. Give numbers and details. Now, accounting jobs. They are looking for an eye for detail and a passion for accounting. For example, I believe I am a good fit for this job because even though I have no experience, I have a passion for accounting. My mother runs a tailoring unit in my hometown and I helped her set up a full accounting system to keep her track of her receivables and cost. This improved her collections by days and increased her working capital by such and such %. Give more details. 3D animator jobs. I have learned through my research that the key soft skills required by a 3D animator are those of storytelling, understanding the story, character and context. I believe that I am a great fit for this job because of my love for storytelling. I have written several plays for the local theatre and have been on the committee of our local college theatre group. Or I have worked as an intern with the theatre company and learned the nuance of storytelling and characterization. And once again, if you have experience, you can give examples from your previous jobs with numbers substantiating all your claims that you have made. And a reminder, make sure that these examples which you have given are authentic. And if you can't find any quality to talk about, let me give you a list of some qualities that you could always substantiate or use in this answer. For example, you are open-minded, you are a lifelong learner, you are flexible, you are team player, you go that extra mile, you are passionate about the industry, or you have a passion for a high quality output. So now it's your time to prepare or create your own answer for why should we hire you. Using the technique, find a quality, give an example, 1 minute. Simple, and all the best for your interviews going forward. Till then, take care, bye-bye.